In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage income, expenses, and clients in FreshBooks. Start by logging in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're in, take a moment to look around the dashboard so you know where to find everything. You'll see navigation for invoices, expenses, payments, time tracking, and reports. Keep your login details secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. Let's create your first invoice. Go to Invoices, choose Create New, and select Invoice. Add your client information, the service you provided, and the amount you're charging. You can include a clear description, the quantity or hours, and your rate, so clients understand exactly what they're paying for. Set a due date, add taxes if they apply, and include a friendly note with any terms, like late fees or accepted payment methods. Preview the invoice to check formatting, then click Send. FreshBooks can email it directly to your client with a secure payment link, which speeds up the process and helps reduce back and forth. Next, record your expenses. Head to Expenses, click New Expense, and fill in the details such as vendor, category, date, and amount. Attach a receipt image if you have one, and make sure the category is accurate so your reports stay clean. When you're done, hit Save. Consistently entering expenses ensures your profit and loss report reflects the real picture of your business. Now, record money you've received. Go to Payments and log any received payments. Select the related invoice, choose the payment method, enter the date and amount, and add a reference number if you have one. If a client pays in installments, record each partial payment so the invoice balance updates properly. If you bill for your time, use time tracking to keep accurate records. Start a timer while you work or log hours manually at the end of the day. Assign each entry to the correct client or project, add a short description of the task, and mark entries as billable if you plan to invoice them later. Consistency here makes invoicing much faster. Finally, review your financial health. Click Reports and open the Profit and Loss report. Choose a date range and review income compared to expenses. This shows whether you're profitable over that period. If something looks off, check your expense categories or confirm that all invoices and payments are recorded. You can export or download the report for your records or to share with your accountant. That's it. With invoicing, expenses, payments, time tracking, and reports all in one place, FreshBooks makes it easier to stay organized and make smarter business decisions.